etc, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move by having entry above the top, one of the option. And we mentioned if there is a continuation, we put over 61 as a first target, following by 64. As we can see, the price tag, the first one, but almost near to the second one, because we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. Okay. Anyway, the price is dropping. Whoever get the trade, most, I mean, the best things is if they take out the trade in a profit, or if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. Okay. The first things we want to see whether still we can look for continuation or the price is going to drop. But if the price is going to drop, we cannot rely on the indicators. Okay, that's why I'm thinking we can expect this one turns relative to this for one move up. If anyone wants to look for sell, let give us one move up. Then from there, with the breakout of the previous top, we can refer to the indicators. We can see whether the price can continue or we see the divergence for the price to drop, because we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or is a deeper correction in relative to this for price to drop. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at the three waves and we want to see one the price reverse. Now we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal or we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction, flat, the price to drop. The reason is we're talking about this, if I move to forward chart, okay, I mentioned my last analysis. If we refer to the indicators, we don't see the divergence. That means if we put this low in relative to this, the previous one. That's why we cannot call it as a three waves structure, because when we have a three waves, we can, if we have a divergence, we can expect the price to reverse. That's why we have the possibility this one turn to internal flat and turn to a bigger correction as the first internal drop. That means we will have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves before the price reverse. All right. From now, if you want to look for trade, we need to be careful about that. That's why we have been looking for the price since the price was within this range. Okay. Now the question is whether the price is going to continue or we can expect the price this one turn to a deeper move and we get one more drop. That's why we need to know about the second possibility. In this case, whoever get the trade for buy, they should start to manage it. And the best thing is if this one turn to a deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. At least we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. Okay. And in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. And right now, I'm looking at this one as a flat. That means at this times, I'm not looking for sell. I put my lines here. We are within this correction. Any reversal from here and continuation from here, if we get any trade setup based on, mostly we need to trade based on lower time frame. If we get any trade setup, we can look for buy is a short term. From now is a short term. Okay. And with the breakout of the top, we see whether we have a divergence or not. Then from there, that's mean if we get one move up, then from there we can make a decision whether the price is going to drop, as I explained, based on forward chart, or we can get the DP correction, and this is the first wave of the the reversal with the bigger correction for continuation. Okay, how deep the price can drop? Still, I'm looking for this one, 58.1 by 53, 56.3. It doesn't mean we have to wait for the price to drop to this one before we look for buy. But I'm thinking if the price drop, still if we can expect the price to drop to this one. If there is a breakout, then mostly we cannot look for buy. Okay, and for sure, if this one turns to a deeper move, any reversal, it can give us better. I mean, any trade setup for buy, an uptrend, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy. And the lines are indicative. We can adjust it anytime. Okay, just I put here, if the price drop, I can, that's mean even if the price drop to this low, we can look at the flat. But right now I'm looking for what I have. Okay, and if the price start to correct, it give me an opportunity for sell, trade setup for sell. Mostly the price can drop, and this is the zone I'm looking for. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Whoever get the trade, the best things is, the update is whoever get the trade from here, if they want to keep the trade, they don't want to take out the trade in the profit, move their stop loss to break even. And we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.